Hello, good morning. Again, this is Vic De Mesa saying I love you all. Today we will unbox this hanging coconut bonsai with soil and cocoa husk. We'll unbox this, we'll open this, and we'll repot this to another pot with this with extension, because the roots are long already, so might be curling, crowding here because it's too short. And look at the leaves and the trunk, so beautiful. So we'll unbox this or cut this. Okay, we'll cut this container. So we'll use we'll use this. Yeah. Be careful because the roots might be damaged. Yeah, the roots are long already. Yeah, the roots are long already. That's why people clip. There is one root that is only one. I think this one is probably not two roots. So actually there are two roots only, but yeah, they mingled already. Yeah, it's a timing because the roots see this. The roots turn to curl because of a little space. So, kumbaga sa Tagalog, makakahinga na ito. Okay? So, we'll try to clean this. So this is, actually there are 4 roots, small roots when we planted it. 3 roots. 1, 2, 3, and 4. only 2 roots grows. The remaining 2 roots did not. So we don't know why. So hope this will grow faster and healthier. And is a new medium. Okay, so we'll just water this and clean it. Okay, so we'll try to repot this here, and then we'll make it more higher so that the roots will tend to move towards down. So ahaba pa ito. Okay? I will water this. Hello! We'll continue cleaning this with water, okay? Okay. And rootlets. These are rootlets, yeah. No roots, rootlets. The simple, elegant one, yeah. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Here's the view, bottom view, and this is the top view, side view. Yeah. Okay. Cleaned by water, and then we'll put this into the another pot. Hello! We'll repot this already. Okay? Yeah. Come here, Jacob, and we'll repot this. Come here, come here.
YouTube.
Yeah, YouTube. Okay, this is my grandson. First, Jacob De Castro. Will you assist me? He will assist me. Okay, say hello.
Hello.
Yeah. Okay, so we'll put soil on this.
You.
Okay, that's okay. Okay. That's okay, Pears. And this is my... Come here, Kian. and this is my eldest grandson, Kian. Kian Chrysler Flores. Say hello. You kneel down. Yeah, this is Kian. Say hello. This is Kian Chrysler Flores. Flores. The son of Varnish and my daughter Carol. Okay, so we'll start this, and we already put the soil on the soda bottle. Okay.
We'll make again.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, please don't Yes. So that's it. The roots. The roots. Yes. Okay. Thank you, Kian. Thank you. Thank you, Jacob. Thank you. By the way, this soil is complete. Vermicast, coco peat, cow manure, loam soil, coconut hulls, and carbonated for the husk that is put on fire. That carbonated coconut husk. So that's it. Okay. So just raise this upward, or to increase the roots. To increase the root growth, will increase the root growth. Yep. Please. Mama, could you kindly get the stick? The stick. Yeah. Yeah, the background music of the putak, or the noise of the
Early in the morning,
of the hen that will lay egg.
they ate.
Yeah, that's the crow. of the
Here, in the farm.
yeah.
Little farm.
Okay, so a little more soil. Little more soil. Soil. Get some soil. Yes.
How many sandok?
Yeah. You pull it. Yeah. That's my wife. This winning the voluntary assistant to plant this wonderful coconut bonsai. Yes. So this is a coconut bonsai. That's very fat. Yeah. Is it more more elegant and more beautiful? Yeah. Than the previous one. That is
You good
hang on this.
Look
This is
at
the
her.
previous one. We hang on
Oh,
this.
this is your
Yeah,
grand.
limited Yeah, thank you.
You go there
Limited
at the side of
limited space.
Jacob,
When they're
here.
planted on the side of bottle. So this is also side of bottle, but
so that you
since the shell is open, then the roots are more the trunks and leaves have more space, and they are covered with soil here. So it's more, I think it's more beautiful, and the habitat is okay. So let's put some soil again. Just make this be sure that this is almost done. Then let's put another final soil. Yeah. Okay. That's okay. It's more okay. Then yeah. So beautiful. Mas magandang tingnan siya sa kasi covered siya. Pagka nakahang, covered siya. Covered ang niya. So ito moist. Na-expose itong dip. Na-expose ito. Itong pinaka main niya base. Okay, so stones na lang kulang. Jacob, you get stones. Ha? Yung katulad kahapon. Stones. Many stones, ha? Many stones. Okay? So, we'll put some stones here. And then, we'll try to put varnish on the top of the So it's done. Yeah, it's done. Okay, this is a coconut bonsai mangas version. To all of my subscribers, kamusta kayo dyan? Mag-ingat kayong lagi. Keep safe, take care. Sa lahat, sa lahat ng aking subscriber, mag-ingat kayo. At doon sa mga kaibigan ko, kamag-anak, kapatid, mga kaklase, kabatchmate, mag-ingat kayo mga, please get another stones, ha? Many stones, okay? So, mag-ingat kayo because COVID is here to stay pa. Tatagalan pa pakiwari ko bago umalis. Kaya, we should follow protocols. That's what the government is instructing us to do. Another. More big stones. Jacob, more big stones, Otoy. Yeah, it's my grandson. Nautusan ko na. And again to all my co-vloggers, yung mga matatagal na, magagaling na, mahusay, talented, and regional from all over the country, all over the world, especially Indonesian friends. Yeah, I have so many friends there. Mentioning Sinta, Sir Sinta, Eddie Marwan, and those a lot of friends. And who I could not mention because I forgot the name. Because I'm already 63 years old. And then the Andrew vlogger, Pinoy vlogger also. He is a truck driver from Saudi Arabia. And my newest friend vlogger is Pinay from Australia. Yeah. They live in Australia already. Nice contents. They have all nice contents. And these local co-vloggers. Diyan kay lahat. From Luzon, Visayas, and Mindanao. Hey! Let's celebrate! This day, in our place, too much rain. Kaninang madaling araw, lakas ng ulan. Lakas ng ulan. Just sip a little a cup of coffee. And yeah, life is great. Life is beautiful. You should laugh and enjoy. In spite of the COVID that is just around the corner. Oh my God, that's my wife. Sorry. Sorry about that. Nasagi kasi. Hey, come here, Jacob. Nahiya. Huwag nang pilit eh. Okay, so we'll just water this. And then after watering, and we'll keep it dry, and then we'll put a varnish on it, and that's it. Could be displayed outdoor or indoor. Yeah, indoor. So just put this low. Okay, so water it. Okay. Nice bonsai. Yeah. Love bonsai. All parts of the coconuts are lovely. And then bonsai, making it small, is much more beautiful. Yeah. And taking care of our coconut bonsai, fertilizing it, much it's challenging also. Yeah. So this is my gorgeous, amazing, beautiful coconut bonsai. Refounded in her habitat, new habitat. Yes. So whoa. Okay. Thank you, Jacob, for the stones. Lovely. Beautiful. The stones, yeah. It's original stones. No flavor, no colors. It's original stones, crack stones. Look. Wonderful bonsai. Another creation by your abang lingkod. The senior, 63 years old. But still kicking alive and always always positive even though there's so much problem here. Yeah. Okay. So for those new passer in my video or channel, if you like my video, please watch it. Please watch it. Subukan nyo. Dahil magaganda ang contents. Hindi ako nagsasabi because I'm the owner of the contents, content owner. Pero matututo kayo. Lalo na sa, especially when it comes to coconut bonsaiing. Yeah. Even though I'm new, but I research, I browse, I almost copied all the talented coconut bonsaiers all around the world. Okay? So, and I want to share it with you. Yeah. I want to share it with you. So, that's the content of my and other blogs. Ice candy making, other plants. Yeah, I'll tour you within Batangas, especially Padre Garcia, Batangas, where I live. And I will introduce to you my family, my background. Okay, so much for that. Thank you so much. I love you, and please do take care of you. And God bless us all.
Jacob, you say